Hello, welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 1 of year 2025 of civil services mains exam. Question number 8 is what are the various computer languages used for NC machines? Explain the merits and limitations of each language. So here the first language is in terms of G code and N code. So that is G code control CNC machine movement path, ensuring precision and consistency. While M code manage miscellaneous machine functions like spindle off, and colon control enhancing automation and efficiency. The main disadvantage is their complexity and the need for machine specific M code requiring skilled operators or CAM software for effectiveness. Here the detailed explanation is advantages of G codes and M codes. First is precision and accuracy. These codes allow for precision control over machine movement, G code and auxiliary functions, M codes, leading to accurate and high quality parts. Automation. G codes and M codes automate machining processes, increasing in efficiency and consistency while reducing the potential for human error. Third is versatility. They enable the creation of complex geometries and diverse operations, making them applicable to a wide range of CNC machines and manufacturing applications. Next is customization and consistency. Operators can tailor G code and M code program to specific needs, ensuring consistent production and repeatable results over time. Now the disadvantages of G codes and M codes. Complexity. G codes and M codes are a complex language that requires deep understanding of machine operation to program and operate effectively. Second is manufacturer specific M codes. While G codes are relatively universal, M codes are often specific to different CNC machine manufacturers and models, increasing customization and complexity. Next is reliance, reliance on skilled workers. Effective use of G codes and M codes requires skilled operators and programmers, and even then mistakes can occur without proper training. Next is learning curve. The learning curve for mastering G code and M code programming can be steep, making it challenging for beginners. Next is potential for error. Incorrectly written G code and M code commands can lead to machining error, tool damage, or even machine damage. So next language that is used in NC is APT language. APT language is automatically programmed tools. Is a high level English like programming language used to define tool paths and machining operation for numerical control machines. It was developed to simplify the complex task of manually programming NC machines, especially for intricate geometries. Advantages of APT. Simplify complex geometries. APT allows programmers to define complex part geometries using geometric statements, for example, point, line, circle, plane, making it easier to program intricate shapes compared to manual G code programming. Second advantage is reduced programming effort by using English like commands and symbolic representation for geometric elements. APT significantly reduces the time and effort required for part programming, especially for complex parts. Third is improved accuracy and consistency. The use of structured language and use of structured language and computer assisted calculation minimizes the potential for human errors in defining tool paths and ensure greater accuracy and consistency in machining. Next is portability. APT programs are machine independent at initial stage, meaning the same APT source program can be post-processed to generate machine-specific G code for various sensitivity. Next is facilitate design changes, modification to part geometry or tool parts can be easily implemented by editing the APT program, offering flexibility in design changes and production adjustment. Now disadvantage of APT requires a complex or requires a compiler or post processor. APT programs need to be processed by a specific compiler and then post processor to generate machine specific G code that the NC machine can understand. This adds an extra step in programming process. Next is initial learning curve. While English like mastering the syntax and commands of APT can still require a significant learning curve for new users. Next is less direct control compared to manual G code programming. APT offers less direct granular granular control over specific machine functions and movement as some details are handled by post processor. Next is higher initial investment. Implementing APT requires the purchase of APT software and potentially specialized training, representing a higher initial investment compared to purely manual programming. Next is superseded by modern CAM system. While historically significant, APT has largely been superseded by modern computer-aided manufacturing software which offers more intuitive graphical interfaces and advanced features for generating NC program directly from CAD model. So these are the